What was that? Sorry.
We're waiting on the Assistant Attorney General, and she is here now. We can start recording. We are live on the record, and you are in court in cause number 22 FD 0509. This is an original petition in suit affecting the parent-child relationship, suit for modification, and motion to confirm support arrearage. This was filed by the Attorney General's office January 23rd of 2025. The parties are all present on Zoom today, and this is a remote proceeding. I am sitting outside of Galveston County, Texas, and we are proceeding this way pursuant to the Texas Family Code, Section 201.1045. And I find nobody has objected to proceeding like this. Mr. Lee, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Jonathan Austin Lee.
Okay, thank you, sir. And Ms. Jones, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Loretta Mae Jones.
Okay, thank you. Can you both please raise your right hands to be sworn in? You each solemnly swear that any testimony you give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You can lower your hands. And counsel for the Attorney General's office?
Valerie Laskowski for the state.
Okay. And you wanted to approach about something?
Yes, Judge. This case is an suit affecting the parent-child relationship and suit to modify or support obligations and confirm arrearages. It was filed way back in March of this year. I'm sorry,
January.
January of this year, and Mr. Lee was served in February. This is the second setting. Mr. Lee has appeared at both settings and is now asking for a reset to hire an attorney. The state and Ms. Jones would object to that request on the grounds that Mr. Lee has had sufficient time to do so already.
All right.
Mr. Lee?
So I have a text message saying it. I was under the statement in Texas said that she got what she wanted by moving, so she didn't want anything else. She wouldn't want child support. So I wasn't under that statement. So I didn't know that it was going to be thrown on to me. Oh, okay. I understand the DNA test that had to be done because I asked for it. She's mine. Okay. I'm happy about it. But I also didn't realize that Violet was also going to be thrown into it and she was going to want child support. And then also I didn't know that the lady that I was speaking to before was the standard is 1 weekend out of the month. I would want every weekend. Yeah, if I'm not objecting.
We're not having hearing right now on those issues at this time. We might shortly, but right now the question is are you whether we're going to proceed today or not, and
Yes,
why?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. And so if you can limit your statement to issues about why you don't want to proceed today, that would be helpful.
Because I was under the assumption that she wasn't going to want child support because I have it in text message. Me and her, she talked about it. I thought that was what it was going to be today. We were going to get the DNA test. I figured that she would want medical because I don't have them on medical, which would have been fine. But then it turned into she's wanting now to put both of them on child support. So I would just, if possible, if not, I understand. But if possible, I would like to reschedule. I don't care if it's next week or tomorrow. I want to get an attorney, a lawyer, because I was under the assumption that she didn't want that, but now she does.
Ms. Jones, would you like to respond?
Yes, I would like to say that I do have a right to change my mind. Kids are very expensive, and I have not gotten a dime from you since 2024 in like February. I've been doing everything by myself since I moved. My fiance has been also pitching in, which that was his choice for joining in. But as the father, I think I should be able to get a little bit of help for your children.
So, ma'am, you did tell them at some point, though, before this hearing that you weren't going to want anything today.
I did. And after moving, not getting any benefits and realizing it's very expensive, I would like to have just a little bit of help.
Is there anything else you'd like to say, Ms. Laskowski?
No, Judge.
Okay. In light of the fact he was arguably misled, not that we don't set support. This is court and this is Texas, and we order support all the time. I don't know why he thought we wouldn't, but if someone literally told him he wouldn't, I kind of get that. So I'm going to give him a brief reset to hire a lawyer, but we are going to proceed next time, so everyone should be prepared to proceed next time. If anyone needs any witnesses, they need to be here on Zoom. If you have any documents, sir, we're going to need like income information, possibly tax returns. I have no idea what your working situation is, but we need that information. Be sure to have everything in electronic form. If people have insurance options, be sure to have all of that, including breakdowns on cost for employee and child, employee and family, so that we're ready to proceed next time. Where are we? We're at November 10th. How is Monday, the 8th of December looking, Ms. Laskowski?
Monday, December 8th, looks like we've got 8 cases, so I think that looks okay.
Okay, let's put it on Monday, December 8th. Sir, I recommend you start looking for lawyers immediately. The holidays are coming fast. That's why I was thinking originally December 1st, but I don't know if it's fair to a lawyer who you haven't hired yet to have them come the day after Thanksgiving. But that being said, Thanksgiving is going to be in the middle of all this. And so if you don't start reaching out to people soon, you might have trouble finding someone. And
Yes.
with or without a lawyer, we're proceeding next time. This is not an enforcement case. You don't have the right to a lawyer in that sense. So with or without an attorney, next time we are proceeding. Everyone should be ready, as I said, to proceed. So it's going to be December 8th at 9 a.m., same Zoom code.
Thank you, Judge.